Welcome to the in front of me Honor 9X Lite, and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and scroll down to the security and privacy section. Now just go here to the more settings section, and here tap to the encryption and credentials. Now here you'll see the set SIM1 lock section, tap there, and just to remove the SIM pin from your SIM card, tap here once on the switcher and enter your currently pin code to your SIM card. In my case that's from 1 to 4, and tap here to OK. And as can you see right now, we just remove our SIM pin from the SIM card. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.